Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Rocket Appartamento here. So this machine was just having an issue with the water level probe. It wasn't sitting properly in the boiler, so I removed that and replaced it in the right position. I also noticed the pump was pretty weak, so I just replaced that. It's about 6 years old, so usually we recommend a pump replacement after 5 years. And then after that, I just gave the machine a tune-up. So I descaled the boiler, and then backflushed the group head, cleaned the steam wand, hot water tap, and wiped down the whole machine. Changed the gasket, and this machine has a reusable group head screen, so I didn't need to change that. And this machine was not brought in with a portafilter, so I'm actually just using one from another machine. And yeah, so I'm going to pull a shot just to show you that everything's working. And this is just our test coffee, so it might not be perfectly calibrated to this machine, but it's just to show you that you can pull a shot and that the steam and the hot water work. So this one came out pretty fast, but there you can see some nice crema on top. And we have our steam. And then here's the hot water. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.